Hello students, welcome back for the chapter Teeth and Microbes. Previous session of this chapter we learned about the digestion. Today we will discuss about microbes. So first we shall read the content. Look out for the page number 220. Take out your textbooks, open the page number 220 and read along with me.
Microbes. Microbes or microorganisms are tiny living things that can be seen only through a microscope. There are four types: bacteria, fungi, protozoa and virus. Microbes can be both useful and harmful to us. Some uses of microbes are: they are used in making bread, they are used in breweries to make rum and wine, they are used to make curd. They also help in digestion of food. Some of the harmful microbes are viruses that cause cold and cough and polio, fungi that cause diseases like ringworm, bacteria that causes diseases like typhoid and tuberculosis, protozoa that cause diseases like malaria.
Alright students, so let's look what is meant by microbes. So microbes or microorganisms. Students, microbes is a short term, okay? The complete name is microorganisms. So we can say either microbes or microorganisms, okay? For microorganisms, we will say in short microbes. So microbes or microorganisms are the tiny living things. Tiny means small. Okay, so microbes are the tiny living things that can be seen only through a microscope. So it's the most important. So microorganisms, like how we living organisms, like how we human beings, the animals, birds, plants are there. Even microorganisms are also living organisms. That means उनमें भी जान है. But the difference between us and them are that we can see ourselves, animals, birds and plants through our naked eyes. Naked eye means directly we can see with our eyes. Okay? But for microorganisms, we cannot see directly through our eyes. If we want to see them, then we have to take the help of the microscope. So microscope you must have seen in your laboratory of your school, right? If not, I will show you now in the upcoming animated video. Okay? So the microbes, they will be the living organisms. Microorganisms भी जानदार चीज होते हैं, but वो इतने small, tiny small, वो इतने ज़्यादा छोटे होते हैं कि हम उन्हें अपनी आँखों से डायरेक्टली देख नहीं पाते. So अगर हम उन्हें देखना चाहते हैं, तो we must have to use microscope. So microorganisms can be seen only through microscope. And these microorganisms, they are of different types. Mainly they have been divided into four types. Microorganisms have been divided into four types, namely bacteria, this bacteria, fungi, protozoa, virus. I repeat. So microbes have been divided into four types, that is bacteria, fungi, protozoa and virus. Now among these four types of microbes, some of the microbes are useful for human beings, plants and animals, whereas some of the microorganisms, they are very harmful. मतलब कुछ microorganisms हमें animals के लिए, plants के लिए बहुत फायदेमंद है, but कुछ microorganisms बहुत नुकसानदार है. And recently, right now, the virus we are going through, one of the microorganism which is a virus, which one? Yes, it is the COVID-19 coronavirus, right? So even that is also a microorganism, and that microorganism is very harmful for us. So कुछ microorganisms useful होते हैं और कुछ microorganisms harmful, मतलब नुकसान पहुंचाने वाले होते हैं. So now we will see which are those microorganisms which are beneficial for us and which are the organisms, microorganisms which are very harmful for us. So you have to note down these things which are present on the blackboard, and also the points which will be highlighted in the animated video. Note down each and every point and listen carefully, students.
Microbes.
Micro means very small, are extremely tiny living organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. These can be seen only through a microscope. Microbes can be both useful and harmful. There are 4 types of microbes: protozoa, bacteria, fungi, virus. Useful microbes. Many microbes are useful to us. Yeast, a fungus, is a very important ingredient in bread and is largely used in bakeries. Bacteria help in turning milk into curd and cheese. Some bacteria present in our alimentary canal help in digestion. Certain vaccines and medicines are developed using some useful microbes. Mushrooms are a type of edible, that can be eaten, fungi. However, there are also some types of mushrooms that are poisonous. We must therefore be aware of what type of mushrooms we eat. Harmful microbes. Some kinds of microbes cause diseases and infections. Harmful microbes are called germs or pathogens. Microbes, disease or infection caused. Viruses cause chickenpox, common cold, influenza, that is flu, measles, polio. Bacteria cause tuberculosis, that is TB, food poisoning, whooping cough. Fungi cause athlete's foot, thrush, ringworm. Protozoa cause malaria, dysentery.
Okay students, that was our today's session, and along with this, the chapter teeth and microbe comes to an end. So in the next class, we shall start another new chapter. Before that, complete the explanation, homework and notes of this chapter. Okay, thank you.